Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Molweni, igama lam nguLuxolo Cakata from Stellenbosch eKhayamandi, founder of S2E Clothing. S2E Clothing was founded back in 2018, having won 2 modeling pageants with no local design clothes from Khayamandi, Stellenbosch. I inspired a lot of youth with my taste of style. They'd come to me when they participated in modeling pageants or attended matric dance and asked for advices. That's when I saw a business opportunity of starting my own clothing brand. S2E Clothing is a clothing brand inspired by the diverse Rainbow Nation. As you can see, the Knop, Kiri and Spear, they represent the Nguni tribes such as Xhosa, Zulu, Sotho and Khoisan, to name a few. And Shield, that's protecting the post-apartheid Rainbow Nation flag. At S2E Clothing, we offer streetwear, formal wear, shoes, and we also do customized designs. At S2E Clothing, we courier nationwide. We sell unique and trend-setting garments that we design specifically for you. You can find S2E Clothing at S2E Clothing on Instagram, S2E Clothing on Facebook, S2E Clothing on TikTok, and our business number 061 027 7179. Molo, my name is Luxolo Cakata. I'm a township entrepreneur.